Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be sharing with you guys some aesthetic home decor I got off Shein. I think by now they should actually sponsor me, but well, Shein, if you're seeing this, sponsor your girl. But the first item I will be showing you guys today is this really cute calendar thingy. So I think I showed you guys how this is displayed on the shelf. It looks really pretty. So basically every day I just like change the dates and I like it. It fits into the space. If you're looking for something for your table, for your study desk or anything, this will really complement your space and make it look pretty and, I don't know, chic, even though it's very affordable. I will include like a picture or like a link of this particular item. So guys, the second item I'll be showing you will be this really cute so cute rabbits. I literally love them. They're so cute, and they like, you actually think I got this off like HomeSense or some other like Winners, but this is from Shein. It's so cute. They are actually breakable, so they just like complement my space, and I set them on this. So I think this was like a thing that was trending back then. Everyone had these really cute books, and I was always wondering where I could get them, but like Shein always has like the cutest stuff, and I'm all about like really cute stuff. So this one is like the books. Honestly, it doesn't come like this, so you have to like fit it. It comes like way flatter, so but it's very easy to set up. So this is how it looks. I'm not really a fan of this one because I expected it to be open space where I could keep like my like the remote controls and stuff, but it's not really giving me what I want. But this is it. It's really cute. Cute. You guys, there's also another item I didn't get to show you guys, and it is the clock. It's really cute and aesthetic. It gives me the, it has an alarm as well. It's currently plugged on the shelf, but I'll include a video of what it looks like. It's just very affordable, very cute. If you're looking for something for your space, like if you don't have a clock, like a wall clock, and you're looking for something that will still like shine and call your attention to the time, then that is a definitely cute piece, like a piece that you need to include in your home to make it outstanding. Another item I'll be showing you guys today is this cute hourglass. So when you're buying this, you can buy this in different minutes. I think I took 15 minutes, yes. So it's really cute. I just have it on my shelf. If you've been on my channel for a while, I had shared where I got my shelf from, and it's from IKEA. And initially I got it to use it like for like perfumes and really cute stuff, but eventually I changed my mind to like bringing it into the living room and using it for more like for a better vibe, like to give me more of like an aesthetic vibe, to have like frames and cute stuff like this on it. So this hourglass is definitely something you should watch out for, or you should get, because it just accentuates your space. I think this should be my favorite items from Shein right now. This one is my kitchen. This is for hands and for dishes. So I used to use dish soap to wash my hands. Yes, I'm not proud of that, but honestly, since I got this, I've been able to put like dish soap and like hands, like and hand soap, and it just makes it easy for me if I'm in the kitchen. I feel like my hands are dirty, I can easily just like wash them off without really using like dish soap, which is meant for dishes, to wash my hands. So this is really cute. It comes in different colors as well. I got this in a set of black because black obviously just like complemented my kitchen better. But if you want something like white or black or white or brown, I think Shein has that. I'll equally attach a link to these items because they are just so cute. And it comes with a mini stand, which is really like, I think it's very practical because if you're like squeezing or like pushing the soap out, you might have a spill. But this mini plate or saucer or whatever, how do we call this, it catches everything. Okay, it catches everything, keeps everything neat, cute, and organized.